Where we differentiate ourselves is in the fact that it is 100% cloud native. Now, what does that mean? We not only host all of these softwares in the cloud, you can access it anywhere at any time. That's basically what the cloud enables you to do. We also develop everything in the cloud. So that means that all of the languages that we utilize to actually develop our softwares are actually not only consistent to what the cloud providers can offer you, but also consistent within themselves in terms of being able to produce a more robust product that can communicate within each other. I just explained to you 3 different stages, right? And each of those stages are 3 different products. But they were all developed under the same language and utilizing the same development tools that you have in the cloud. So by doing that, you just make a more robust, easily communicative, to put it in a way, end product for the entire concrete ready-mix ecosystem. When you go out and see in the market, no one else does that. There's up-and-coming companies that do very well one piece of the equation. There's a market leader that basically does everything and perhaps goes beyond just ready-mix, but they can't say that they are 100% cloud native. They basically have a few of the products that are maybe on the cloud, few of the products that were locally developed, and what they do is they either purchase those brands and try to integrate those products, or they develop new products that may well be up to date in terms of technology, but when you try to bring in the other solutions, because you're really looking at the entire ready-mix ecosystem, it brings some deficiencies in terms of how they communicate within each other. So we're really the only ones that can truly say we're 100% cloud native.